So I'm back in the garage and I'm start working on the CRV. It's nice to hang out with Jamie Rosario. I know Jamie for a couple years now, and we got the same love. We love CRXs. And he buys parts for me, I buy parts for him. It goes back and forth. It was nice to hang out with you, watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, bro. He had that beautiful beast B18 turbo on the CRX. Push it to 44 or something like that, he told me. That's gorgeous. I love it. I love that car. It's beautiful. I don't care if the CRX is falling apart. I don't care if your CRX is immaculate like mine. I love CRXs, bro. I love that game. Well, today I'm doing the CRV. Today we are doing the cat converter on the CRV, and I ordered this. Cost me $78, and this is the company that I ordered from. Is right here. This is the company that I ordered from, and comes with all the hardware right there inside and everything. Made in China, of course. And actually, that's the address right there. That's what I ordered from. So it comes with all the hardware and stuff like that. The donut, the hardware for the everything. So I'm about to install that in the CRV right now. This is the last piece that I need. Besides the arm, they're gonna take out, and I'm gonna do that today too. It's gonna be the arm. Today I'm gonna be working on the arm and the cat converter. I'm gonna start on the cat converter first, and then move on to the arm. And then this baby right here is ready to roll, ready to go out to the world. I have my dad and mom are in New York, upstate New York right now, and they just got me 2 motor switches, window switches for the CRV that I needed. One, they got me 2, bless them. And then I can drive this baby every day back and forth to work. No oil leaks, no transmission problem no more, no check engine. This is the new daily for me. So let's start with this. What do you think? Alright guys, we're about to install this real quick, so let's move over here. And this setup that I'm using right now, I'm going to need 2 things. I'm going to need number 14 and 18. Okay. First thing you guys are going to do, always line up this one first. This one rotate so you have plenty of place to move it around. So what you want to do, you want to come over and find the right angle that you're going to use for this one. This one got also a flat circle gasket. It goes right here between winch between them. Sometimes it gets a pain in the ass because it gets bent. It's very soft. You can hit them on the floor. You can bend them back and forth, and that goes in there very nice. You can turn around after you put it in and do this. Now it's in there. Now you grab your bolts, they come with it, and find where you're going to put it. In this case, we're gonna put one here, one here. And use as a bolt. Okay, so now it's installed there. This is the last one. And I'm missing one bolt right here. I'm gonna go right here. Oh, never tied it down because you got everything there, okay? If you get everything down the way you want it, then that's what you tie down. All right. So I'm gonna have an 18 on the rear right here. Let me see my gun can get right here. I'm gonna get an extension cord real quick, guys. I'm gonna put an extension cord on this, and then we can fit. All right, so now this is sealed all the way around. It's not going to go nowhere. And now we got to do the front. Alright guys, very simple than that. Little cat converter. I want to turn the car on. Let it run. I hear that noise. that's the one I'm interested on. I want to see what's going on the ABS system, so the light can go out. And this is a a 98, so the computer is very small. It doesn't give you that much data like the new computers in the car does. Yeah. Let me pause real quick. Hey guys, sorry about that. Well, after I checked, we had a big rainstorm right when I was working on the CRV, and right after that I stopped working on the CRV. But I did clear the codes. The codes are all gone. It was my O2 sensor, my ABS light. It's a speed sensor I got to replace, and that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit like, and share my videos. Guys, see you later.